In dimly lit corridors and shadowy forests, cameras have captured unsettling phenomena that ignite the imagination. From strange sounds emerging from seemingly empty spaces to the bone-chilling whispers of unseen entities, the paranormal realm beckons with its eerie mysteries. An explorer, alone in a forgotten building, may hear a child's laughter echoing amidst the decay, only to find the corridors deserted. In another instance, adventurers in haunted forests report ethereal whispers trailing behind them, brushing past the edge of human perception. These recordings, analyzed repeatedly, offer no earthly explanation, leaving us to wonder about realms beyond our own. As these moments unfold before lenses, they challenge our understanding, urging us to listen closely and ponder the existence of dimensions just beyond our grasp.